This customer calls me 3 days ago and says, excuse my French, my cat bit my computer again. I need you to fix it. Again. I got you, homie. So he comes in and brings me this. I don't know about biting, that's more chewing. Right there. That does not look like it's a bit mark, it's more like chewing mark, so let's get started. I'm gonna end up removing the screws from the back. Okay, and let's pop off the back cover. This is not the first time we've done repairs with a cat biting the screen of a computer. Not sure why, computer's pretty dusty. Let's disconnect it from the battery. Let's pop off the battery connector screw. Lift up the connector. Battery has been disconnected. Okay, so once this guy is lifted, battery has been disconnected. We're gonna take off these two black covers right here. Okay, one right here. Second one off. We're gonna remove all of these screws right here and then pop this guy off. Pop, pop, pop. Okay. Antenna has been removed. Okay, now we're gonna remove two screws on each side of the hinge. Now we're gonna pop open, just like that. We'll remove the last two remaining screws from the hinge. Remove the screen, just like that. And new screen. And we are almost done here. They give us some tools. Not a fan of those tools. Throw that away. Packaging is pretty decent. And if you're wondering where I got this screen from, got it from Amazon. Amazon, low-key, has some pretty good screens. In the past, we used to order from a company called 7 Puppies, but I don't know what happened to them. They just disappeared off the face of this earth. We used to order from them quite often. I think Apple got to them. New screen. Let's pop these hinges open, just like that. Bend the cables back. Screw in the hinge. And now we work backwards. Screw in both screws for the hinge to hold it in place. I don't know what it is with cats, but my cat has never done that to me, thank God. I'd be so upset if my cat bit my screen and broke it. These are not cheap repairs either, so. Especially after 7 Puppies. After they disappeared, all aftermarket screens became much more expensive. Guess it's Apple's way of controlling the market. Sneaky, sneaky Apple. If you're a technician and you've done MacBook repairs in the past, tell me, what do you think happened to the company's 7 Puppies? Did they get caught from Apple for making aftermarket? Is it lawsuits? What's going on? And if you know for a fact, just, let me know down below, because I would be very interested to see what happened to them. Okay, so we've got everything pretty much done here. We're just gonna go plug in this battery and test. Hopefully we should be good to go. Looks brand new. Looks like we've never even entered this PC before. I do want to clean the fans for this customer as well. Let's test it first. Say Bismillah, and we turn on. We may need to throw it on the charger first. Yeah, I think we have to throw on the charger. Let me bring a charger. Okay, we just threw it on the charger. Now we wait. There it is. Good to go. Easy peasy. Make sure it loads up. Oh, it probably needs to be fully charged. In the meantime, let me just clean up the fans. And this battery, oh, it's a bit puffy too. Okay. Now that way we can give this computer back in good conscience to the customer. Apple logo appears. Let's wait till this boots up successfully, and then we'll call and invoice the customer. Oh, there it is. Good. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any cats, make sure you're always on the good side of your cats. Trust me, we have plenty of repairs that we've done from cats. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.